Got a hit on the catfish pole. There we go, and we're on. No. Man, that sucks. Oh, nope, he's still on. Okay, he just ran towards the shore. What do we got? Probably a drum. Sure is. Oh, there's my cut bait. First one of the day. All right, so got the drum cut bait, cut the head off, threw it out there, probably let it sit for a little bit. Kind of was a bad cast, so I'm gonna have to recast that. But for now, I'll just throw around a jig and a worm and see what we can get into. All right, now we'll throw around this jig while we wait. It is a beautiful day. Around like 70, I think it might hit 80s, but it's supposed to rain towards the end of the day here, so I am on the bike, so I'll probably have to go ahead and pack it up around 2-ish, maybe 1. But man, you cannot get any better than this right now. It doesn't look like it's gonna rain. I mean, it's just bluebird skies, so we'll see. But yeah, we'll snagged up here. The water is super high. I mean, you can usually walk out 15 more feet, I'd say, which we'll see how that affects the conditions. So I mean, there's a whole, I mean, it's all sand in front of me right now. When the water's down low, you can really get out there, but it should be good. And this spot's pretty hit or miss for me. I mean, it's just on the Mississippi River. There's a wing dam out there, like right in front of us, so that's not bad. But honestly, I'm just happy to be out here. Beginning of the season for me. Me and my brother went out last week, down the river a bit, on his boat though, back in this slough. And I mean, we caught a couple of hybrids and white bass, a couple drum, but we were going for walleyes, we didn't get any. So I'm hoping for better luck today, honestly. All right, we weren't having any luck with that jig, so I'm just gonna throw a dingle dangle a worm out there and see what we can get. All right, just saw some bites on the worm. Yeah, it seems like they're just nibbling on it. Leave it there for another minute, then check it. Been slow after that first drum. Might have to scope out some other spots. Did want to stay here because it's nice and secluded. You know, I don't think anybody would try to come here and fish next to me, which I wouldn't mind if there was enough room, but you know, I only have this much space to throw a cat line out and then throw this one. So we'll see. Oh, there we go. All right, we are on. Got the guy who's been stealing my worm for the past 20 minutes, probably. Oh man, it's fun on this pole though, compared to that other cap hole. There we go. A little better drum. I think it's a little better. Yeah, about the same. Maybe a little bigger. I'll take it though, it's a fun fight. Luckily I already got bait, buddy, so you won't. Oh man, you swallowed that. Oh, not really. Yeah, they just suck it down. Here we go. Chicago bass, whatever you want to call it. Let's chuck him back in. They're tanks. All right, swim the other way. He's a little disoriented. No, you don't have to stay with me, buddy. Go ahead. Awesome. All right, there's two on the board. I was trying to move a log from over there to get a little seat, but I think I got one on here. Oh, dang. I mean, it looked like it was about to rip the pole out of the out of the dang tree, but they're just nibbling on it. Okay, that just scared me. I thought my pole was going in the water. We'll get it right back out there and move this log over here for a seat. Ugh. Oh man, that really scared me for a second. All right, didn't even realize it, but I think, yep, we got one on here. I was sitting there for a good while too. Like I saw a hit and I thought they were just nibbling at it again, but sure enough, another drum. Hey, it's better than nothing. There we go, Mr. Flippy Flappy. Roll around the mud like a pig. All right. Oh. Come on, buddy, give me that lip. There we go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he really got a hold of this one. Bring him up where it's a little drier. Uh-oh. What's that? Oh man, yeah. That might be gone right there, but I'm gonna grab some pliers. We'll see what we can do. Yeah, I knew I should have checked that earlier, but I figured they were just biting it. Oh man. His mouth is pretty small. It's really hard to see where the hook's even at. Grab this here. Yeah, I think we're just gonna have to cut this. There's no shot. I don't want to fuck them up any more than I already have. So, get my knife. Well, that sucks, you know, but hopefully it won't affect him too much. I can't even, I mean, he just can't work with that tiny little mouth. But, you know, he'll probably be all right. If not, it'll be food for something else. All right, I probably should have put him in there a little better. Sorry, buddy. You swimming, or are you gonna be bait? You cut like that. At least he's swimming. He's good. Face him out towards the water. There you go, bud. There you go. A little lopsided, but he'll make it. Off he goes. All right, I'll retie, and I guess we'll just cast again, stay here. So we got another bite on here. See if he's actually on there. There we go. Oh, man. Lost him, but that one felt pretty good. Oh, dang, dude. Oh, yeah, he straight up just broke me off. Oh, darn it. Okay, well, retie and get back out there. Got the snack for today. Some Old Trapper hot and spicy beef jerky. For the bev, just a water. I did just see a hit on this pole, but you know, they're just playing with it. Looks like those guys are moving. See where they go. Get the catch on camera, but we moved to this spot over here on sort of a corner, I guess. A little bigger drum though. Not bad. I wish I would have recorded that one. Whoa, buddy. You gotta hit yourself on the rocks and glass. There we go. Yeah, so definitely a better one. Good fight. That's for sure. Alright, we'll get him back. I mean, that was about 30 seconds after I put it in there. I got the cut bait out there. Might have to recast that. It's stored in some stuff. Then just use this left side for worms. But yeah, going good so far. New spot. Oh, looks like thought we were getting hits on this bull. There we go. We're on, and I'm getting a call. All right. Try another drum. Oh, I think I snagged it. Foul hook. Another pretty good one. They're a little bigger over here. So it seems, so far. Oh, there we go. Yeah, a little better one again. About 2 minutes after that last one. Ah, come on, buddy. There we go. Sweet. This one's chunky. That belly on it. Yeah, it might be pregnant or something. But yeah, definitely heavier than the last one. Nice. Keep it moving. Still nothing on the cut bait, but it's early in the season, so wasn't expecting too much there. Once it really heats up, I feel like the catfish sort of go crazy, so at least that's what I'm hoping for. All right, catch you on the next one. And we're on. Oh, tapping it real light, so not expecting anything crazy here. Probably just another drum. Oh yeah, yet again. Hey, well, another decent one. Fun fight, but a little smaller than the last. Getting back out there. Be free. Still nothing on the cut bait. So, losing hope on that. I really only got like an hour left before it's supposed to have a chance of raining, so we'll see what happens. Still just chill. Oh. Huh. But like I was saying, still just chilling out in this spot. Haven't really got any action in the past like 20 minutes. Oh man, I thought he was on. Okay, well, I'm still getting bites, but I'd say like 10 minutes ago, got a huge bite. Damn near took my rod in the water, but it was just like that where nothing was on. I mean, that bite was much smaller than I just had, but either way, I'll probably give this like, I don't know, 10 more minutes. And I kind of want to try to go over to that little lagoon pond type thing and see if I can get some bullheads or crappie, because I'd really like to use live bullhead as bait this year for catfish. So that would be huge if that was a good spot to get them. Because the only other spot I really know is this lake that's way too far away to bike to. And I'm sort of confined to where I can fish on a bike if I go by myself. If I go with my brother, then we can take his boat and do whatever, but our schedules just have to work out and whatnot. He's a lot busier than I am, so that will be hopefully once every 2 weeks we go out is what I'm hoping. Even more, that'd be better. But yeah, so hopefully in the future you guys will be seeing some boat content, not just on the shore, because this is really the only spot I can get to on my bike within, 15 minutes from where I'm at. I mean, this is a pretty good spot. I can go down this whole island, and it goes pretty far down, go all the way around it. Really only fish this left side of it if you're looking towards it, because that's where it faces the Mississippi. But on the back side, it is like, where over flooded waters go, which is pretty full right now. And I've heard people catch some good stuff back there, so I'd like to try it. I'm not sure. I'd have to look on the map too to see if there's any other spots I could go and hit, but I think this is my best bet. Today, unfortunately, we really only got drum, but I'll take it. They're a fun fight. But I tell you what, once I get that first catfish or really anything else, I will be ecstatic. But yeah, so I'll give this about 10-15 more minutes, and then maybe go over there to that lagoon, maybe just head home. I don't know, we'll see. But I'll catch you guys in a few. Okay, looks like we're getting some hit here. There we go. And we're on. Right when I was about to start packing up. Little drum. Who would have guessed? Another drum. Bad though. I think that's going to be the last one of the day, guys. Really appreciate you if you made it this far in the video, and tune in for more.